everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what comes in the monthly Eyescream Beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so this here is the November 2022 box. If anyone isn't aware, Eyescream Beauty is a beauty subscription where you get, I would say, 95% all makeup items. It costs $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 products, which should all be full size. And the $25 does include handling, shipping, all of that. It's a flat $25. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what came in this month's box. You do get a little tiny card that will list the products and pricing, but there won't be any full-on descriptions, and I'm fine with that. As long as I get the name and how much it costs, that really helps me out. It does come with some of these biodegradable packing peanuts, which are better than other packing materials. I still find it annoying to have to empty the box. Un momento. Alright, what the heck is this first item? Apologies, it's shiny. This here is Come Through Flawless Makeup Set SPF 15. Wait, what? Hold on, I'm going to need to read the card because I have no idea what this is. Okay, so apparently it's from a brand called Joyce Bonnelli Cosmetiques. And it's a flawless setting spray with SPF. It retails for $25. I have never heard of a setting spray that comes with SPF. Very interesting. I'll be curious. Like, if you get it in your eye, is it going to sting? Is this full size? $25. It's for a setting spray. This is quite small. Okay, it's only 2 ounces or 60 ml. Ooh, okay. I'm looking for the little hole. There it is, because I didn't want to spray it in my eyes. All right, let's check out the mister. Okay, so it's the type that's fine-ish. It comes out fine, but then I feel globs. It does have a subtle scent of, I don't know, not floral, not fruity, not SPF. Like, just the ingredients maybe? Okay, let's try it on my face. I'm going to hold it really far out. Okay, that seemed to help. As far as applying it for the SPF, I think it's just the bonus that there's 15 extra. But, you know, if you're out and about and it's in your purse, ooh, that's how that would work. It's the perfect size to toss in your purse. It's like 4 in the afternoon. The SPF you applied at 8 a.m. is like sweated off. It's not going to do a lot, but it's better than nothing. All right, moving on to the next product, which is this big but very light product here, which is from another brand I've never heard of called Cheeky Rose Beauty. And this is a blush brush. Very lightweight. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's that similar type. I want to say last month or the month before we got a similar brush where it's very stiff, but that was the kind, the handle went out. It was meant for foundation, but it's that type of brush. Very, very stiff. Soft, but stiff. I don't know. Did it say blush? Yeah, blush brush. I don't, well, cream blush. I was going to say powder blush. I don't know that I'd want something this dense, you know? Because I go ham. Not intentionally as it is. I don't need a blush brush, you know, adding to that. But I do have other products and situations where I could use such a brush. Mainly like cream contour. All right, I'm dying to see how much that brush costs. No. $36? This is plastic. This handle, full on plastic. I bet if I went to Alibaba, I could find a very, very similar brush, or even just Amazon. Alrighty, next item. Oh my goodness, this month everything's kind of fancy packaging. What is this? By the way, it looks cuter on camera. This is cheap plastic. Cheap plastic. Alright, I'm presuming this is going to be a lip gloss of some sort. It's from another brand I've never heard of called Illuminati. Yes, and it's a liquid Luxe lip gloss, which actually would be very fitting with the eye look I put on today and the lip color story I went with. By the way, if anyone is curious what I am wearing on my eyes, it is the new Manny MUA Lunar Beauty palette that I got in an advent calendar. Let me know your thoughts. This lip gloss is taped, so it has plastic. It's Fort Knox. I'll leave it at that. And let's do a swatch and try on. I'm curious if it has a scent. Yes, it's as I suspected. I'm speculating that these are coming from China maybe. But let's do a swatch. Oh, that is pretty though. It just smells like factory lip gloss. Like no floral, no fruity, no good sweet scent. It smells chemically, slightly, but I love a good shimmery gloss, and this is a fantastic color. Now, will it show up over what I already have on my mouth, which is very similar? Probably not, but let's find out. Ooh, no, much more pink. Interesting, it looks orange or peachy, but it has way more pink and it's more holographic. Hey, I always channel my inner 13-year-old and I don't mind shiny holographic. Don't know how much going to pick up on camera, but in real life, not too shabby. Yeah, I can kind of taste that chemical, you know. It's not horrible, like where I would never use the product, but I'm probably not going to reach for that very often. All right, what does that retail for? No. $21? At that price, I would shop Tarte, Ofra, Lunar Beauty. Yeah. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is from, let me guess, another brand I've never heard of called Beau Beauty, and it's a beached blush. All right, here is the packaging. It's plastic made to look metal. Oh, that's really pretty. On the outer packaging, I thought it was going to be more brown, but that's kind of a soft pinky peach. Can you even see it on my finger here? Let's do a swatch. She is pigmented. All right, and it does have a very soft glow. By the way, yay, it opens all the way, which I love. This blush retails for $25. All right, and the last item is our palette. By the way, I forgot to mention that you are guaranteed to get a palette, an eyeshadow palette, in every single box. Interesting packaging. It's like, if I don't like the color story and I give this away, sorry, it's ripped. All right, if you only knew how long it took me to get it out of that bag. Here is the palette. It is from a brand I'm not familiar with. Theme of the box called Lash Step. And this is the Matte About You palette. Oh joy, I really don't care for palettes that are all matte. Although, second kudos where it opens all the way up. here is the color story. It is pretty neutral, although it's dark neutral. There are not too many super light shades like this one, but she's pretty. Small pans, and it does have a beautiful mirror. All right, let's see what that retails for. No. This tiny, how many pans were in here? 3, 6, 9, 12. This tiny, and these are small pans. This tiny, small 12 pan palette, all mattes, from a brand I've never heard of, retails for $45. All right, let's recap everything that came in the November Eyescream Beauty box. We got a 12 pan eyeshadow palette, a setting spray with SPF 15, a lip gloss, a blush brush, and a blush. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are all of this for $25. Pretty good. However, in my head, I keep comparing it with like BoxyCharm and Ipsy. And I guess the issue I'm having more this month than any other month is that I've never heard of any of these brands. They could all be good, but just I'm getting the sense that when you see brands you've never heard of, that they're from maybe Alibaba or I don't know. I'm just very curious. I'm going to list the MSRP total value, which based off of this super expensive brush and this only 2 ounce 60 ml setting spray was in the $30 range. This what, $45? The value is going to appear really high. However, I'm just curious, like if you bought, 10,000 units of this and it was like $1 a unit kind of a thing. I don't know. I'm always curious how these companies make money when they have a beauty subscription for $25, even $30 with 5 products, at least with BoxyCharm, Ipsy, they're known brands. These brands, I just don't know anything about them. Where the products were made, are they cruelty free? Do they have parabens? All that good stuff. So, interesting. Anyways, give me your thoughts, comments down below. Let me know if I'm being too picky or if I'm being vigilant. This is the first time this box has made me kind of pause and go, because in the past we would get not the best brands, but I've heard of the Beauty Crop. I've heard of Bella Pierre. You know what I mean? And then they would mix in like one brand where you're like, never heard of that before. But this entire box, all 5 items, were for brands I've never heard of before. Now, let me know if I'm just, out of it, which could be true. And you all are like, oh, I love that brand. Use it all the time. But I suspect these are offshore brands. I don't know. But let me know your thoughts. And if you are with me that this box is a little off. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.